Some AI tools genuinely feel like they should not be this useful. I mean, the way they can just handle complex tasks with such ease is incredible. It's truly a game changer, not because they look dramatic, but because they quietly remove work people still do manually every day. First is Notion AI. It helps turn rough thoughts into organized notes almost instantly. Second is Runway. You can generate visuals, remove backgrounds, and build video ideas much faster. Claude is my top choice for AI, especially when you need long document understanding. Claude is the tool you need. The biggest advantage today is not effort alone. It is reducing low-value effort. The people moving faster are often not working harder. They are removing unnecessary repetition. I think the strongest AI users are not tool collectors. They simply know where each tool fits. And that is why understanding these changes early truly matters, because the future usually rewards people who notice important shifts before they become obvious to everyone else. I'm Mary, and this is the AI Lens, where we explore AI, technology, and the future advantage that smart people are paying attention to now. If you found this video valuable, like, leave a comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel so you do not miss what is coming next. I'll see you in the next one.